To have Ramdev Agrawal joining in the next couple of minutes. Can the budget deliver this time around? Ramdev Agrawal is with us from Motilal Oswal, another domestic voice on the market and on the budget. So Ramdev, broad thoughts to start this off with you. Are you expecting anything major today, first of all?
Expectations are, shaped by the current conditions in the global economy and the local conditions. So this time around, I generally think that quite a challenging time for finance minister to manage high level of growth of about 8.5%, and at the same time manage the inflation well within 6%. So I think it'll be interesting to see how exactly he negotiates his way. But as an optimist and as a stock market guy, I think my main concern is the growth of upwards of 7.5–8%. If that comes through, I think I would think that finance minister has done a good job.
Ramdev, specific taxes, I mean, is there anything that you're expecting to hear? The one fear is that, MAT could go up or excise rates could go up. But then the larger issue is that anyway, they're supposed to move towards the direct taxes code, the goods and services tax. Are you expecting them to say anything, and are you expecting them to uphold the deadlines, which have already been pushed back by 2 years?
That's the whole uncertainty. I mean, we don't know what is the political situation, how much willpower government has to push these reforms. But what they do in this budget itself, like say, if they incorporate any of the proposals of DTC into this budget, like say lower corporate tax rate, so that is real, So I think I'm not going to count on what is going to happen in 12, 13 or 14 or later on, but what exactly is being done in this budget itself. So for example, in oil sector, I think looking at $120, $125 oil, even if it is stabilized a little lower, I think the subsidy burden has gone up significantly, and despite taking the decision of decontrolling of diesel, we have not been able to make any move at all in that particular direction. So when exactly they show the determination to actually take concrete step, or I don't know. So some kind of a definite way into all these issues would be the expectation for the budget.
Okay.